Dear students, let us continue the lesson The Problems of India and Their Solutions. In the first part, I explained about some problems and their effects as well as measures to solve those problems. Let us see one by one. The problems are discriminations. Discrimination based gender, caste, and region is more evident in India. Indian society is made up of patriarchal values, hence, inequality are there between men and women. The measures taken to eradicate gender discrimination, first of all, providing reservation in education and employment, providing reservation in election of local bodies, reserved 1 by 3 of the seats in local elections. In Karnataka, 50% reservation has been given to women in local body election. Another problem, regional inequality. Some regions of the country have achieved a lot of progress while many parts have remained backward. In order to remove regional inequality, Article 371 has been amended from A to G. Though these amendments, backward regions have been given special status. In Karnataka, in order to address the regional imbalance, a committee headed by D.M. Nanjundappa has given special report on various measures needed to solve the regional imbalance in 2001. Most backward regions of country have been according special status. Another problem is communalism. Communalism is a major problem in our country. What is the meaning of communalism? Segregation in the name of religion and creating hatred and cultivating opposite self, mutual suspicion and fear situation in the society. What are the effects of communalism? Disturb the peace of the society, destroy the public and private property, mutual accusations, physical assaults. Communalism puts self-interest ahead of national interest. The communal forces make attempts to increase their communal forces in the country. It tends to be suspicious of other religion. This affects the unity of the nations. How to eradicate communalism? First of all, uniform civil code, equality among all the citizens, supporting secular values in the society, transcending narrow thoughts. Attempts should be made to foster the faith of all the people, develop healthy and national thoughts. Precaution should be taken to check the communalism. The citizens should commit themselves for a secular society. Another problem, status of women. Government has taken various measures to improve the status of women. Women and Child Development Department. Government seeks to improve the status of health and education of the women. Abolition of child marriage. Dowry Prohibition Act. Compulsory and free education. Karnataka government implemented Stri Shakti. Women's Commission has been established. Provide reservation at state and national legislature bodies. Another problem faced by India, that is terrorism. This is the method putting pressure on the government. It is based on political ideologies, religious faiths, and ideological beliefs, creates a loss for the individual as well as communities. The measures taken to curb terrorism are: our central and state governments have taken utmost care to stop terrorism. They have even created special forces to tackle these terrorists. India has a peace loving country and has undertaken many initiatives to stop terrorism. Thank you, children. Thank you.